Hello, today we are going to discuss pandas. It is the most popular open source Python library deriving its name from panel data system. It offers easy to use data structures for data analysis and manipulation. It is developed by American software developer Wes McKinney. Pandas data structure are categorized into three: series, data frame, and panel. Series is one-dimensional, data frame is 2D, and panel is 3D. Series are one-dimensional, value mutable, size immutable, stores homogeneous data, that is same kind of data. To create series, we use series parenthesis. It can take two argument, data and index, which could be in any order, like series data comma index or index comma data. Its index can be manually indexed, and also it can take data such as dictionaries, sequences, list, ND arrays, or scalar values. Thank you.